That's why it is located in your home directory. In my case, it's a Vagrant user. I'll be using it during this course. Now for the other machines, the other virtual servers, to know and trust us, we have to copy this key to these servers. We'll perform this action with the help of the following command: ssh-copy-id, and we'll copy this key with -i option, followed by the name of the user and the server you are copying this key to. So we'll type ssh-copy-id-i vagrant at db1, the name of the server. Then you have to type yes, and you have to type your password, the password for this user, Vagrant user in my case. And you have to perform the steps for all the servers you are going to use for this lab, or for all the servers you are considering to be client nodes for Ansible. After it is done, we are ready to go. Ansible is mainly used with playbooks to allow subtasks to be scripted and organized in a handy pipeline. However, Ansible also has various ad hoc commands. These commands can be issued in command line. So once Ansible is installed, the ad hoc command line can be used directly. It can be easily tested with such module as pin. For example, you could type ansible localhost -m means module, because Ansible uses modules, pin, and you'll get an output similar to mine. You can issue some echo command, for example, try typing ansible localhost -a. As you can see, we are using -a